This would be good. Or some of these long stickers. Just a piece of it. Something like over here. Okay. Maybe the other part over here. So sticker is used up. No, it does not stick so well on the washi tape, so I have to put on some glue. Okay. Searching for another of my washi tape stickers. I have not so many left, or only 2 in green. So I will use them up. I think I have some in brown, but I don't want to get the new roll right now, because then I would have even more stuff on my table. I thought about putting it over here. Okay, this noted would get covered up, but okay, cannot. Yes, but you are able to see this, and you have a bit of it's a bit seeing through, but I can write on it. Okay, this is fine for me. Now for the back side, this looks good. We can put something on. You could, you don't have to. Maybe again one of the stickers without the lovely ladies. I will put them on another place. Let's see. Yes, it's not too long. It's really the perfect size. So jot it down over here and glue it down, not straight. I have one of these sticker removers, so it's called Undo. So undo your stickers and you can reuse them. Sometimes I use it, but to be honest, it's no big thing for me when my stickers are a bit off center or at an angle or something like this. It's really no big deal for me. I will put down the ladies over here. So I don't use my undo this often. It's really, really good, but I don't use it really often. And I will not buy it again. Oh, this is cool. I know I used it before, so maybe I have another one. Sometimes I remember I just used it. Okay, this is good. A bit seeing through. This is what I like. Oops. Okay, so on this page I put on a stamp. This is fine. I want to put on something more. I like this, but you cannot write on it so well. So maybe I have something else lying around my desk. Some offcuts I could use, which give me more color but writing space as well. No, I don't think so. I like this. No. No, no, no. This is the other side from this. Maybe I could use this. No, it's not the right thing. I don't know what to do. Maybe I will just put down a piece of paper like this. For no other reason than decoration. So you can just do what you like and what speaks to you. You can even decorate your junk journal while creating in it, of course. So I will write letters and to my pen pal in this book. And I will create while writing the letters as well, using washi tape and stickers and fuzzy cuts and so on. I already know, but I know that I don't like to write on a page like this. I cannot tell you why. It's too plain for me. So it's more speaking to me when there is something to watch, something to see. So this is more speaking to me. So if I would flip through this page and I want to write, I know I get a bit stuck and I just want to have something on here to look at and to play with. This would be a cool thing too. Not this long. To give it a drop of color. Okay, maybe a tiny little thing more, just a tiny bit, tiny piece. Maybe just this, no? Okay, that's it. I will put this down. So I don't want to take away too much of my writing space, but on a page there has to be more things for me to explore. I know my journal is really colorful, and it will get even more colorful when I write in it because of the usage of stickers and washi tapes and different colored pens, but I know what I need, so I put it down. Okay, maybe I will let this be as it is. I have just the feeling of the need of a little something. Yes, this is the little something that is needed. This is all I need. This is all the page needs, in my opinion. This is a printable I printed out, and this too. So I printed different printables and then tea dyed the papers, putting them one onto each other, so they the ink went from one page to the other. I like it really much. Okay, this I want to saw down. This, oh, okay, nearly last page. Whew. So this I want to saw down. So I want to keep this beagle and little dog. I could put on this. This would be a tiny pocket, so I will do this. And I can tuck in little things into here. Oh, there's a cap there. Okay, this will dry in a moment. Okay, I want something more. This could be a belly band again. Okay, why not? I want to keep this background, but just as a background. And yes, I have tiny journaling cards, or I can create some. And I have tiny tags as well, or I can create some to use in this journal to put in all the tuck spots. Tuck spots and pockets and things. Okay, this will be our pocket. So in this case, I think I want to use up the last of the green labels. Oh, no green. Maybe I will use up some of my pink labels lying over here, so that you are able to see the writing underneath, but you can write on this too. one of this, and a little, not sticker, but paper label thing. Maybe this one over here. Okay, and I need something over here because I want to write on here. I just want to keep these two words. Okay, I can put on a little fuzzy cut. Okay, this is too long. Smaller fuzzy cut. Small but a bit longer. Maybe something like this. This is too big, a bit too big. I don't want to cut it down. So I'm searching for some other things. So I have this little things. Maybe I can put this into here. Okay, this is too wide, but I could cut it down, or I can put this into here or in this direction. Just showing you. Okay, fuzzy cut. Let's concentrate on a fuzzy cut. This is cool. I like the colors. Don't know. Would you eat a cake with these colors? Don't know. But it looks good. This is too long. I have to reorganize my fuzzy cuts to get my hands on the little ones. Oh, this is so cool. Nature does nothing uselessly. So this could go into here. I will just put it down into here just to remember. Just because it caught my eye and it's perfect. No. Could put on this. No. I'm searching for something that is a bit longer than this one to cover up a bit of this writing. I know it's only a tiny bit, but I just have to feel I need something else, but I don't know if I have something that fits. This is way too big. Okay, don't want to bore you to death. Just searching for a few more moments. Ah, I have this flower thing. Yes, I will use this, even if something of this will be covered up, but anyway, I will use this. This I did not cover up, of course. I will sew it shut later anyway. Of course, you can glue it shut as well, but I like the sewing lines, so I will just sew a few parts on to give the journal a bit more character. Okay. Now let's see in which direction. Yes, this is all right. This is a fuzzy cut, so I fuzzy cutted it out by myself using a tiny scissors. Okay, really lovely. Some writing space, some pockets and belly bands, so tuck spot things, focal point, and this page is a bit clearer than this page, so this is perfect for me. So now for the last 3 pages. How long did we film? For 46 minutes total, so I will split this video in 2. So again, what do we want to do? Don't want to cover up too much of this. Just thought. Now, this is on sticky paper, so from Notebook Therapy again. This is a freebie you get every month, so the calendar and then something like this, which goes well with the calendar. So I could use this part, get rid of the part over here, somewhere like here. So I keep these and use them in my private projects. So to show you, but not to sell, because it's a free printable. I don't know if you are allowed to sell this, but to show you, it's totally fine. And what I like about my sticky paper is that you can see through the pattern. That I like really much. I could use this over here, why not? Oops. So, to break the page a bit, or break in the page. Just thinking I could use some of the stickers again, some of these long stickers. Oh, I have this left. Maybe I will put it down just like so. We will see. And oh, I just eyed something I wanted to use before, so maybe I can use this. This looks like a film roll. Yes, I think this is fine. Oh, come on. Yeah, come on. So this one I will put down in this direction, covering up a bit of this cool image. I tea-dyed, but anyway. And this over here so you can see enough of the image. So this is somewhere over here. Okay. And does this page need something else? I think I will put down this jewelry. I don't know, I like it so much, and my friend is not a big jewelry wearer, to say so, but I don't know. When I see the jewelries, I just have to think of my friend in a really, really, really positive way. So it speaks to me, use it in this journal for this specific friend, so I will do it. If I create things for for no special person, or not for a person I already know, but for my Etsy shop, which will come up soon. Maybe it is online when this video goes online, I don't know now. It's not online now, I'm just working on my Etsy shop to get it online, but anyway, if it's online, if it is online already, I will link it down below in the description box, and if not, you can find me under the same name as I am on YouTube and Instagram, so melpinkjournals on Etsy, as soon as my Etsy shop is opened, and I will put the link to my Etsy shop in the channel description. So then you will be able to see what I sell.